Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing three cryptocurrencies, Cosmos, EOS and NEO. Please subscribe to our channel if you want us to keep releasing technical analysis for stocks, forex and cryptocurrencies. Let's start our analysis with the first chart, which is EOS. As you can see here, EOS seems to be enveloped within a rectangle created by linking these 2 points of low around US dollar and a horizontal resistance at 5 US dollar. Also, we can draw an oblique resistance, which means we can draw a descending triangle by linking this point of highs. Now, in terms of price action, in terms of mere technical analysis, EOS seems to have a very low relative strength if compared with the top cryptocurrencies like Ripple or Stellar or Ethereum. So what we should expect over the next weeks and months? In terms of price action, we could trigger a long only at the break of 5 US dollar, which is right now a very strong horizontal resistance. Now, if we compare this chart and if we observe, if we study the chart, for example, the Ripple chart, we already know that we have broken above the oblique resistance of a descending triangle, which means we could predict the same action even for EOS. Yet, right now, it is not happening. So, that means that EOS right now is not a long. But, as we can observe here, in terms of volumes, we're inside a period of strong accumulation, which should predict a strong movement. In this case, we hope higher. So, while EOS seems not to have a very strong relative strength, let's move to Cosmos, and you can see here that it has a completely different chart. Cosmos is inside a very big rectangle between 2 US dollar and 7 US dollar. What is really interesting right now is that actually we have a lot of room, a lot of space till 7 US dollar. So if we move to the linear chart, we can see that we are actually almost there. In terms of MACD, the blue curve is above the orange one, yet the distance is getting far. Okay, which means we could expect a retrace at 7 US dollar. Right now, we can certainly say that we still have a lot of room till at least 7 US dollar. From there, I expect a retrace and then an attack to a all-time high. Let's move now to NEO. NEO is a very similar chart to what we can observe for NEM, for example, okay? So, and Tron as well. We are inside a very strong and long period of accumulation, okay? Right now the quotation is 15 US dollar with a 16% of gain over the last 24 hours. So, let's try to understand what we should expect over the next weeks for NEO in terms of price action and price targets. So, at the break of this area, okay, so we're talking about 16 US dollar, we should be expecting a strong run up till at least 50 US dollar, from where we can see the horizontal support in this case, which will be an horizontal resistance right now. Again, if we observe these volumes, this huge increase in volumes, we should be expecting right now not so much for the next weeks. So what we need in order to push the price higher till 50 US dollar is a very big exceptional volume, okay, because we need to actually to break above this area, 16-17 US dollar. Again, in terms of price action between the three cryptocurrencies, definitely Cosmos seems to have the biggest chance to hit an all-time high. Okay, thank you guys.